Tips on designing a creative plant box with plants, stones, and clay. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be learning some amazing tips and ideas on how to design a plant box using a variety of plants, stones, and creative clay designs. This is a fun and artistic way to make your garden stand out and bring nature closer to your home. Whether you're a beginner or already love gardening, this project will spark your creativity. Choosing a variety of plants. The first step is to select the right mix of plants. Try to combine tall plants like lucky bamboo, snake plant, or even small palms with medium-sized plants such as bromeliads, peace lilies, or ferns. To complete the look, add small trailing plants like ivy or creeping thyme along the edges. This mix of heights and textures creates depth, making your plant box look more natural and full of life. It's also a good idea to choose plants with different leaf colors. For example, dark green foliage next to bright variegated leaves. This contrast will make the arrangement pop and feel more vibrant. Designing with stones. Once your plants are in place, it's time to add stones. Stones are more than decoration. They also help with water control and keep the soil from drying out too quickly. You can use white pebbles for a clean, modern look, or river stones for a natural, rustic vibe. Arrange the stones in patterns or pathways to create flow inside the plant box. For example, you can make a small curved stone pathway through the plants, or group pebbles under taller plants to highlight them. Stones add balance and texture, making your design look neat and professional. Adding creative clay designs. Now comes the exciting part, clay designs. Clay is a versatile material, and you can use it to create small figurines, pots, or decorative tiles to place inside your plant box. Some fun ideas include clay butterflies, mini houses, colorful mushrooms, or even garden markers shaped like flowers. You can also use clay to make tiny plant holders inside the box, giving your plants a more artistic arrangement. If you love painting, try decorating clay pieces with bright colors to add a playful touch. These clay designs turn your plant box from a simple garden into a work of art that reflects your personality. Closing, 3:20 to 4 o'clock. So there you have it, 3 easy steps to design a creative plant box. Mix different plants, add stones for style and balance, and finish with unique clay decorations. With just a little imagination, you can transform an ordinary box into a mini landscape that looks amazing in your home or garden. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening and creative design tips. See you in the next video.